Hi, Scott Berry here from Janet Berry's luxury home team at Premier Plus Realty in beautiful Southwest Florida. If you are looking to invest in or sell real estate in Florida and you are not a U.S. citizen, it's so important for you to understand the rules under the Foreign Investment in Real Property Tax Act of 1980. Its acronym is FIRPTA, and it's been a topic that has come up quite a bit recently. FIRPTA was designed to ensure that foreign investors pay their appropriate share of taxes when selling U.S. property. FIRPTA requires that when a foreign person or entity sells U.S. real estate, the buyer must withhold a portion of the sale price, which is generally 15%, and send it to the IRS. This withholding acts as a prepayment of the seller's potential tax liability. It's essentially a way for the U.S. government to make sure that taxes on the sale are collected even from non-U.S. residents. FIRPTA applies to foreign sellers of U.S. real property interess. A foreign seller is defined as anyone who is not a U.S. citizen, lawful permanent resident, or claimed as a resident for tax purposes. It can also apply to foreign corporations, trusts, or estates that own U.S. property. But here's the thing, as crazy as it may sound, the buyers are the ones that are responsible for ensuring that the withholding is done correctly. If a buyer fails to withhold the appropriate amount, they can be held liable by the IRS, even if they are U.S. citizens. The standard withholding rate, again, is 15% of the gross sale price. That's not just profit, it's the total amount the property sells for. Let's say you sell a property in Naples for $1 million. Under FIRPTA, $150,000 would be withheld and sent to the IRS. There are exceptions and reduced withholding rates in some cases. For example, if the buyer intends to use the property as a primary residence and the sale price is $300,000 or less, the withholding may be reduced to zero. It's crucial to understand all these little details because there are scenarios where the withholding can be reduced or waived altogether. If the buyer signs an affidavit stating that they plan to use the property as their primary residence and the sale price is below $300,000, and if the foreign seller applies for a withholding certificate from the IRS, they can reduce or eliminate the amount withheld based on their actual tax liability. The withholding certificate, which is also known as IRS Form 8288B, must be applied for before or during the sale process. And it just allows the IRS to determine whether the full 15% needs to be withheld. If you are a foreign seller, you will need a valid individual tax identification number, ITIN, and accurate documentation of your tax liability if you're applying for the reduced withholding. For buyers, it's extremely important to confirm the seller's status as a foreign or domestic entity. We can help you with that. And it's extremely important to work with a tax advisor or an attorney to ensure compliance with FIRPTA. While FIRPTA can seem complicated, definitely don't let it discourage you from buying or selling U.S. property. If you have proper planning and proper guidance, it's actually a fairly straightforward process. Always consult a qualified tax advisor or real estate attorney to ensure that you are meeting all the IRS requirements. And if you have any questions about FIRPTA or Florida real estate transactions in general, feel free to reach out to us. We are here and happy to help, and we've been selling real estate in Southwest Florida for a very long time. So please lean on us, our experience, and our contacts and partnerships that we've built. Also, since you've been on at least one of our websites in the past, I just wanted to give you a couple reminders. First of all, please remember that our experienced team can help you sell or buy any home in Southwest Florida, even if it's listed for sale with another realtor or even if it's listed for sale by owner. Also, please remember that if you see a home that you're interested in Southwest Florida and you're not here to see it in person, we offer free FaceTime or video tours, which is awesome. It's really proven to be the next best thing to you actually being here. Just let us know if there are any homes that you would like to see through the FaceTime or video tours, and we will set it all up for you. And lastly, I just wanted to reiterate, like I always do, that no question is too small. Please, if you have any questions at all, please reach out to us, as we are here for you and happy to help you in any possible way that we can. Thank you so much for watching this short video. I hope you have a better understanding of FIRPTA, and we look forward to speaking with you very soon.